So you are using your laptop or your mobile phone?
Laptop.
Then it should work fine.
Yeah, you can take a look at some.
Okay. I'm moving you to other group. Maybe it help. It helps or not?
Yeah, it's still.
Still like that? Okay. Don't worry about that. Just stay here. Okay. Did you take the picture?
Yeah, I have sent it in the group. In the group chat of WeChat.
Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. Open your chat group, and also you need to answer the other scenarios. Scenario 2, scenario 3 as well. And scenario 4. Guys, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, sure. We can make it as a group activity, right? Only one answer from this group. And you are group number
1, room
yeah,
1.
Yeah, you are group number 1. Okay. So I'm gonna give you 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna be canceling this breakout room.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, please discuss among yourself. Okay, guys, did you see our chat? I have uploaded also scenarios 2, scenario 3, and scenario 4.
Where?
Go to the chat section.
I can't see anything.
I can't see anything too.
Okay. Then I would send you. There we go. You see now?
Yes.
Scenario 2, scenario 3, and scenario 4. After 5 minutes, I would be canceling or closing this breakout room. Please discuss among yourself, okay?
Damn, bro. I want to go back for, I don't know, a weekend.
Okay, guys, also please answer our scenario 2, 3, and 4.
Oh, okay.
I have sent you in the chat section.
Okay, I see it.
Okay, I would be closing all this breakout room after 5 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
Osama.
Yeah.
Okay, you go to the chat section and you also solve scenario 2, 3, and 4.
Okay.
Okay, this is a group activity, okay? So I'm going to make you one group. There are going to be 4 groups and only you are the member.
I'm the only one, I think,
Yeah.
in this group. There's no one with me.
Okay, you have the scenario. Did you take the picture?
Yeah, I'm gonna take the picture.
There we go. This is the total scenario. Scenario 1, scenario 2, scenario 3, scenario 4. I already sent in our chat session.
I think. See if I'm not wrong. D.
Write down your
380.
options. Write down your options, okay? Write it down. And also read scenario 2, scenario 3, and scenario 4.
Okay. Do I have send it in the group chat or?
Not right now. I will tell you then. Okay, I'm calling everybody here in main session. Okay, I have canceled the breakout room.
Okay.
So I think it takes 9 to 8 seconds to include everybody here.
Okay.
Okay, everyone. Okay, every group member, please answer this question. So what is the total opportunity cost of the day that farmer Tony incurred for his spring day in the field planting wheat?
Me and my group believe it's 380.
It's 380, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we think that.
Okay, any group members who disagree? So here we go. 250. He lost the income. How it is calculated? 25 an hour. Guitar lesson multiplied by 10 hours. Right? And the cost, explicit cost, is going to be 130 worth of seats. If you add this, it becomes 380. And then scenario 2, Tony's accountant would most likely figure the total cost of his wheat plant equals to accountant only view as explicit cost, right? So what is the answer here?
A.
It's B, not A. B. A can never be the answer. Because 25 is 1 hour guitar lessons. He spent 10 hours in a field, right? So A can never be the answer. A is the implicit cost. It can be the implicit cost for 1 hour. And we are talking about accountant, not the economist. Scenario 3, Tony's accounting profit equals
A.
accounting profit.
Oh, accounting profit. Sorry. It's 170.
Well done. Because in accounting profit, we do not include 250 as implicit cost. That is implicit cost. We do not include that. In that case, that's why the accountant, he looks the Tony's Tony's balance sheet or Tony's purse with profit of 170. But as an economist, he looks profit as, what is the economic profit of Tony's?
B.
B. Why is that? Because his cost is, total opportunity cost is 380 and his yield would be 300, so minus 80 would be his economic profit, right? Well done. So please send your answer here. Okay, not classes finished. We are going to have a break and then we are going to start again. Okay, let's take a break for 15 minutes.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you
Okay, guys, welcome back after a short break. So let's start what we were discussing. Sorry. Here we go. Now the production and the cost system. So the assumption to understand from here, again the Helen factory, but we assume that the factory size is fixed and Helen can vary the quantity of cookies by changing the number of workers, right? So these are the assumptions to go further. So remember, I again explain the case study. The case study is the Helen's cookie factory. She makes the cookies, and the assumption is that she cannot increase the production by increasing the size of the factory, because that would take a longer period of time.